Hello, today we're going to be creating mini catapults. For this project, you will need 2 jumbo craft sticks, 2 rubber bands, 1 plastic spoon, 1 pon-pon, and 1 cork. Begin by attaching 1 craft stick onto your plastic spoon using a rubber band. Notice that the craft stick goes halfway under the spoon and the spoon is facing up. After you've put the craft stick and the spoon in the right place, twist the rubber band around them several times to make it tight. Next, rubber band the 2 craft sticks together on one end. This time, the new craft stick goes underneath the other stick. Pro tip: when rubber banding the craft sticks together, keep the rubber band about half an inch away from the end. This will prevent the rubber band from accidentally slipping off. Remember to make it tight. Next, place a cork in between the 2 craft sticks. The cork will act as a fulcrum. The placement of the cork affects how far your object will go, so start by putting it in the middle. Then, after your first try, move it around to see what happens to the distance. You've just finished your mini catapult. As a last step, place a pom-pom inside the bowl of your plastic spoon. Using one hand, firmly hold down the base of the mini catapult. You can then use your other hand to hold the projectile arm back with your fingertip. Then, let go and watch your projectile soar.